Pain. You can see it written across your patients' faces the moment they step through your door. Relieving that pain is one of the most rewarding aspects of dentistry. But once they walk out the door, patients are largely responsible for preventing tooth damage, with little more than "don't forget to brush your teeth" ringing in their ears. While clinicians are armed with a wealth of ever-improving technologies to beautifully restore their patients' teeth, the preservation of that restorative work, or the protection of natural dentition, is easy to overlook. Cost-conscious patients may not see the danger and resist any optional add-ons. Some clinicians may hesitate to seem pushy or find themselves too busy providing more critical services. But we all know prevention is the most cost-effective form of care, and that a little extra time and investment in the short term can pay dividends for both patient and practice in the long run. During our half-century of dedicated service, Glidewell has developed a wide range of cutting-edge preventive solutions that can quickly and reliably protect your patients even when they're not in your chair. From bite splints that alleviate bruxism symptoms, to custom-formed sports mouthguards, to the most advanced dental sleep appliances on the market, our preventive solutions allow doctors to expand their scope of treatment in meaningful ways, often through the use of auxiliary staff. Over the last 50 years, we've helped clinicians deliver millions of oral appliances for a broad range of indications, and we've continuously reinvested in advanced technologies to provide more accurate, more reliable, more affordable devices, all while offering fast turnaround times and free, no-fault remakes. To learn about our industry-leading preventive solutions, visit us online at glidewell.com. You can also request free samples by calling customer service at 800-854-7256. If you have patients who are experiencing pain from bruxing or suffering from sleep-disordered breathing, don't wait for more damage to be done. Preserve and protect and enhance their quality of life today. Thank you for all you do, for the sake of smiles.